Hello and welcome to this video on the core components of the UiPath platform. In this video, we'll get introduced to each of the core components and we'll also see how they work together. Now, for a quick round of introductions. UiPath Studio is a tool for building automation processes. The robot executes the processes built in UiPath Studio, published to Orchestrator or locally. UiPath Orchestrator is a web application that acts as the interface between Studio and Robot and manages, controls, and monitors automation tasks. Let's see how the core components work together. RPA developers build automation projects using the Studio family to fulfill an automation need. These automation projects can then be published as NuGet packages, either locally or in Orchestrator. Automation projects published to Orchestrator are stored as packages, along with their versions. If an updated version of a project is available, it's then stored as a separate package in Orchestrator. To run automation projects, published packages need to be associated with folders. When a published package is paired with a folder, it becomes a process and can be run by robots with access to that folder. Human users can trigger robots through the UiPath Assistant tool to execute processes on their machines. We call these robots attended robots. The robots deployed on separate machines, working without direct human intervention, are called unattended robots. Process execution for this type of robot is initiated and managed from Orchestrator. In both cases, process execution is done through jobs. Be it attended or unattended, communication between robots and the orchestrator is always triggered by the robot. This is done by the robot service component of the robot through a heartbeat mechanism. Every 30 seconds, the robot service sends a heartbeat to the orchestrator and waits for the orchestrator to respond. When there is a job to be done, the orchestrator responds to the heartbeat by passing the job info to the robot. In cases where there are multiple orchestrators involved in the architecture, the packages that the robots need to execute jobs are kept in an external storage location. When a robot runs a job for the first time, it will not have the workflow available locally. The robot then requests the workflow from Orchestrator, which then goes to the storage location, retrieves the correct workflow, and passes it to the robot. In such cases, even when a Studio user publishes a package, the orchestrator moves the package to the storage location, which is retrieved when required. The robot then runs the process. We now come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.